SB19's Dungka in a big university's grand school year opening celebration. SB19's Dungka is that Gen Z's hype song. And so, it is with pride that we share that Southwestern University FINMA, a popular and well-regarded institution in the country, has danced to Dungka in its grand school year opening celebration.